Hi, my name is Amy Trosarello. I am the Director of Operations for The Secret Cocktail. I started working for Victoria in January of 2021, and it's been a really great journey.
Hello, my name is Tracy Garrett, and I'm a registered nurse. I work as a program specialist consultant with the CNA instructor Secret Cocktail.
Hi, my name is Daisha Thompson. I am the program specialist and train-the-trainer coordinator for The Secret Cocktail. Long story short, I ended up running to Victoria Randall, and she offered me the position just like out of nowhere. She was like, I remember you from my mentorship program. She was like, I really remember how easy it was for you to take the information and make the curriculums, and you're still so excited. So if you're still excited about the program, then I would love for you to join me. And of course I said yes. So the best thing about working for The Secret Cocktail is the culture. It's very personalized, it's very centered around being the change that you want to see in the world.
What I love about being able to work with Victoria is no longer am I working on conflict resolution, but we're actually building businesses and places where people can build a career for themselves.
One of the best things about working with Victoria is she's very, very knowledgeable, but not only that, she's supportive. And I think that means a lot, not only in the healthcare field, but especially in the clinical education field, because we need that solidarity. She's definitely someone who I pull for inspiration because she's very inspiring. So I feel very blessed and fortunate to be a part of the CNA instructor Secret Cocktail.